Hi guys, this is Tom from Draw Me Away. In the last video we traveled to the tropical beaches of Sardinia, but in this video I will guide you to all the best places to visit in Portugal. Nestled on the southwestern tip of Europe, Portugal is a beautiful holiday destination that combines rich history, stunning landscapes and lovely cities and villages. From the golden beaches of the Algarve to the historic streets of Lisbon, and from the breathtaking Douro Valley to the Pena Palace in Sintra, there are so many beautiful places to be discovered. In order to make this video, I traveled 6 weeks through this amazing country, searching for all the highlights. Join me on this Portugal travel guide as we explore the best places to visit and some hidden treasures. And if you watch this video all the way to the end, I have a really nice surprise for you. Let's start this travel guide with a visit to one of the most popular tourist destinations in Portugal, the Algarve. Especially if you are a beach lover, this is true paradise. With its golden sandy beaches, dramatic cliffs and famous beach resorts, this is a really nice area to spend your vacation. Some beautiful places in the Algarve are Lagos, Albufeira and Carvoeiro. Here you will enjoy a vibrant atmosphere and there are many opportunities to have some fun. Take a walk along the boulevard, enjoy a tasty lunch in the restaurant, or book cool activities such as parasailing and snorkel tours. Another thing to put on your bucket list is a boat or kayak tour to the rock formations of Ponta da Piedade. If you are lucky, you can even spot dolphins here. In the meantime, if you enjoy watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Just 15 minutes away from Carvoeiro, there's another beautiful place in Portugal named Benagil. This coastal village is well known for its mystical cave, which can be accessed by a boat or kayak. Exploring this natural wonder is a magical experience. And if you like hiking, there's also another way to explore the caves by taking a scenic walk along the coastline. If you follow the path long enough, you can even discover the beautiful Praia da Marinha beach. If you ask me about the most beautiful beaches in Portugal, Praia dos Três Irmãos will be in my top 3 list. This stunning beach is also located in the Algarve, close to Alvor. The special thing about this beach is that during low tide you can walk through the caves. And you can also take a nice walk on top of the cliffs with beautiful views of the Atlantic Ocean. And the best part is, along the entire coast there are many beautiful hotels and luxury resorts. If you want to stay here, just check out the links in the description below this video. Let's continue this Portugal travel guide with a visit to the mesmerizing Douro Valley. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, renowned for its vineyards and scenic landscapes. To explore this beautiful region, you can drive by yourself, or jump on the boat to enjoy a river cruise. Along the way, there are many traditional wine estates called Quintas. Here you can learn something about Portugal's world-famous port wine and the centuries-old winemaking traditions. When I visited the Douro Valley, I decided to visit Quinta da Padrela. This is a small family business where you can enjoy wine tastings. And of course, after tasting the wines, I couldn't resist to take a few bottles with me. Are you not really a wine lover? Even then the Douro Valley is well worth a visit. Enjoy the scenic landscapes of one of the most beautiful places in Portugal. Once you've discovered the Douro Valley, it's a good idea to follow the river to the next beautiful place in Portugal, Porto. This is the second largest city of the country, known for its historic charm and world-famous port wine. When you are here, I recommend you to explore the narrow streets of the Ribeira district. This is a neighborhood with colorful houses, traditional port cellars, and a vibrant atmosphere. Admire the stunning views of the Douro River, enjoy a ride in the cable car, or take a walk to the monastery of Serra do Pilar. From here, you've got the best view of the iconic Dom Louis Bridge. And also very nice, close to the center, you will find some beautiful beaches. Perfect if you want to escape from the crowds. The next highlight in this Portugal travel guide is Serra da Estrela. Especially if you like mountains and nature, you're going to love this place. Serra da Estrela is located in central Portugal. It offers breathtaking landscapes and a lot of opportunities for outdoor activities. Go on a hiking adventure and explore the rock trails that lead you to majestic peaks and hidden valleys. If you decide to visit this place, I think you should really taste the region's famous cheese named Queijo da Serra. You can buy these at one of the souvenir stores on the summit in Torre. And also nice to know, during the winter months, Serra da Estrela transforms into a winter wonderland, perfect for skiing and snowboarding. A vacation in Portugal would not be complete without a visit to the capital city, Lisbon. This city offers a mix of vibrant hospitality, colorful neighborhoods, and stunning architecture. Explore the narrow streets of the Alfama district, visit the iconic Belém Tower, and take a selfie with the famous Red Bridge. Another great idea is to take the historic yellow tram all the way through the hilly streets so you can capture panoramic views from the scenic viewpoint. Just a short drive from Lisbon, there's another beautiful place in Portugal named Sintra. This is a small town which is famous for the historic castles and fairy tale palaces. The most popular building of all is the Pena Palace, which is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. But there are also other places to discover, like Castelo dos Mauros, the National Palace, and Quinta da Regalera. The best way to visit Sintra is to book a day tour from Lisbon, or, if you got more time, you can stay here for a couple of days in one of the luxury hotels. I will share my recommendations in the description below. Close to Sintra, there's a rocked coastline with some beautiful beaches. One of them is Ursa Beach. In my opinion, one of the most beautiful beaches in Portugal. This beach is only accessible by a challenging cliffside path. Other beautiful places nearby are Cabo de Roca, Praia das Macas, Magioto Beach and Azenas do Mar. One of the places that surprised me the most while traveling to Portugal is Obidos. This is a medieval town known for its rich history and tasty cherry liquor. You can try these anywhere, so I decided to give it a try. It tasted delicious. In Obidos, you've got the feeling of going back in time. Take a nice walk along the city walls and enjoy the panoramic views of the surroundings. In my opinion, Obidos is one of the hidden gems you should definitely explore during your vacation in Portugal. Located between Lisbon and the Algarve, there's one of my favorite regions in Portugal called Alentejo. This is a place where time seems to slow down and nature gets the upper hand. There are not so many towns and villages, but the entire coast is sprinkled with beautiful beaches. Some of them are Praia de Porto Covo, Praia de Vila Nova Mil Fontes, Praia da Amelia and Praia de Odexeixe. When we enjoyed the sun at the sandy beach of Praia da Comporta, we even saw a group of dolphins just before the shoreline. It was such a magical experience. Also, due to the presence of the wind, the Alentejo region is a great place for surfing. About surfing, there's another beautiful place to visit in Portugal called Peniche. This cozy village has a beautiful beach and offers many opportunities for water sports. For example, you can perfectly learn to surf here, but you can also book a boat tour to the Belenga Islands. And if you like to make a nice walk, I recommend you going to Ilhéu de Papua. This is a beautiful rock formation. Other beautiful places nearby are Foz do Aurélio, Nazaré and São Pedro de Mul. One of Europe's oldest universities, Coimbra belongs for sure to one of the best places to visit in Portugal. The magnificent university is even listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is still in use today. Especially if you like culture and history, you're gonna love this place. It's also nice to take a look in the medieval old town. Here you can wander through the narrow streets and visit the impressive Coimbra Cathedral. As the Venice of Portugal, Aveiro is a charming city which is famous for its colorful molicero boats. These were used for collecting seaweed from the lagoon, but nowadays they offer a funny boat tour through the city canals. Do you want to explore more of the surrounding area? Then I recommend you to go to Costa Nova, just 50 minutes away. This is a small coastal village renowned for its brightly painted wooden houses. The last highlight in Portugal I would like to share with you is Peneda-Gerês National Park. This is a natural area in the northern part of the country where you can make beautiful hikes and visit some old villages. One place that's well worth visiting is Lindoso. Here you will find a beautiful castle and old granaries. You can also visit Miradouro da Pedra Bela, where you can enjoy a panoramic view of the lake. Okay, that was it guys. I hope this video has given you some inspiration for your own vacation in Portugal. I think it's a really wonderful country where you can discover many beautiful places. And the good part is, you don't need to drive too long between all the highlights, which makes it a great destination for a road trip. Did you enjoy watching this video or find this video useful? Then please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like I said in the beginning of this video, I also have a very nice surprise for you. I created a travel guide, which you can download for free through the link in the description. This Portugal travel guide is full of useful tips, including excursions, hotels and so much more. Feel free to download and be mesmerized by this beautiful country. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.